Only in Your Mind, and my name is Natasha. I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I've gotten a lot of cool makeups and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I won't be doing any tutorials on, putting them on my face, but let me show you what I have. This one actually, I unboxed it, I'll admit it. It came to me before I got the other packages and I just couldn't resist. I just had to check it out. So, okay. So, on my Instagram feed, there was an advertisement for ColourPop, and it was Disney villains, lipstick and a palette and stuff like that. I didn't get the palette, but I got the lipsticks that I thought would go better with my skin color. Look at these boxes, they're amazing. Now, I'm not normally a box person, I don't normally keep boxes, but I'll be keeping this box, or these boxes. Okay, so this is the Wicked Queen, and it was so hard to open this without damaging the box, but that's what the box looks like, and it's red inside, which is really cool. And all of the cases look like this anyway, so I was hoping it would be different, but check this color out. I did not use this color yet. Look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. And then it has villains. Isn't that pretty? Now on my skin color, let's see what it'll look like. Oh, look how pretty that is. Wicked Queen back in here, and it's a matte finish, so I'm excited about that. And we have Ursula. Look at that box. Isn't that cool? So the box inside is blue. Like I said, they are all the same. So let's see this color. Look at that. That is a deep color. Look how pretty. So look at this one, Dr. Facilia. So this one is really cool too. The box is purple inside. Look at that pretty color. So let me go ahead and... Another thing I got, and I'm really excited to use it, I haven't used it, an eyebrow, tattoo brow. I ordered this on Amazon. So you put it on, shape your brow, and then you peel it off. I'll test it out and let you guys know how it works. Now, for my big one that I have not opened, so well, I did open the box, but I didn't see what's inside. This is a palette from Urban Decay. I don't know if you guys know what I'm about to open, but I got some free stuff. Game of Thrones palette. I'm excited. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, yeah. So, and of course it says Game of Thrones, Urban Decay, and I have a lot of Urban Decay makeups. Okay, so let's see. So it doesn't go up like that, it just pulls out, I think. This one. Oh my god, I almost lost it. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Okay guys, so little backstory on this thing. So I put in on Urban Decay to get an alert when it came in, because I was like, man, I gotta really have it. It's pretty cool and the colors are amazing. So I did, I got it, got the alert, got the makeup. Today it was supposed to come in. I'm usually here. Wasn't, because I had to go to a conference with my husband. Well, I didn't have to go, but I wanted to, for Medicaid cuts. But anyways, so we did that. Then had to take my son to the dentist. Did that. Knew this was going to come in. So was waiting for it. My husband came home, took it, hid it, thought he was funny. And then he had to go to work. Didn't tell me where he put it. So... not that I was freaking out, because I knew he probably hid it. And he did. He's lucky. He didn't die. But anyways. So anyways, another cool thing that I got was bath bomb dragon moles. So I will be making bath bombs that look like dragon eggs. That's right. So okay, so this is the cool part, guys. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? How cool is that? So what I will do is swatch. I'll try to do a swatch. That tattoo brow that I got, it's supposed to stain your skin. So we'll see how that works, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. But let's just get back to the swatching. Second swatch that I did, and it looks amazing on my arm, but you can't see it on the camera very well. So I figured I might as well go ahead and do another video. Now, look at that beautiful color. This one I had a hard time showing up on the camera. There we go. Still don't know, still can't see if you can see it because I am filming from my phone and it's upside down. Move my arm this way just a tad bit so we can start the other colors. Look at that one. I can see it really good here, but I'm not sure if you guys can. So now this one here, you can't tell, but it's going to be a nice color, transitional color for me. See? Those copper colors are so pretty, different variations. Down this way a little bit. I'm going to do that one again because I can see it. Look at that. So I'm going to start here.